Folks, it is my absolute pleasure to show you my favorite car we have in our collection. It's a 1967 Corvette 427 with the 435 horse tri-power engine with the 4-speed and the 370 posi and those pipes. Just an awesome, exhilarating rush to drive this car. But it looks absolutely beautiful. It's just a work of art. You know, I love the Corvette coupe with the boat tail design, and this one being the big block has the Stinger hood. It's finished in its original Elkhart blue with the Lindale blue stripe. Absolutely stunning. Teal interior with leather upholstery and headrest. This car is amazing. It is so restored. It's nut and bolt, just fresh, beautiful. Everywhere you look, it functions like a new car. It passed through the shop, the detailers, the mechanics, the porter. Everyone said, God, what a nice car. And I got a really great story. I bought the car and I started Googling and searching the internet. I found on a Corvette forum from 2005 the original owner's son had posted the VIN number and said, does anyone know the whereabouts of this car? I have the paperwork. My dad bought that car new. So what I have here is a copy of the handwritten options that they were putting on the car. Sport coupe, 435 horsepower, close ratio, 4-speed, 370 posi, red lines, AM, FM, dual mounted exhaust. And then we have the original registration, the original contract, and the original certificate of title. We have copies of all this. The family still has the originals. I have their contact information. They also say they have old pictures of the car, but they have verified the car is what it is. So that was just amazing. They were excited. I was excited. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or scan the QR code and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, I love this car. The fit and finish it's jewelry. That's what we've been calling it. This one is jewelry. And the body's amazing. The headlights fit flush. So does the hood. Everything is square and flush. I did not find a crack or a defect in the body anywhere. All of this is amazing. Again, all fits beautifully, no issues. The doors go all the way up into the roof and it all fits beautifully. Lines up so nice, opens up so nicely. Look at the jams. They're absolutely like brand new. Door shuts like new. You have this rib that comes down the roof and then extends down here into the boat tail. All of this is just pristine condition. You're more than welcome to inspect it yourself, but I literally did not find a flaw in the body. I wiped the whole car down looking for anything, and it's all amazing. So the body is outstanding. This door, same thing as the other side. Jams are fully restored. Shuts like a new car, all fits real nicely, no cracks on the pillars, nothing like that at all. Apparently $120,000 was spent just on the restoration of this car. It is the original color, Elkhart blue, and what I really like about it, you might notice, it like shimmers. It really shows off the curves. You know, really gets bright and dark and shadows. It really enhances this already beautiful body style. Like if this car was black, you wouldn't see all those curves. The headlights do open and close properly. And everywhere you look, the chrome, the grille, the bumpers, the emblems, the trim, everything looks like new on the car. All fits real nicely. Even the stainless trim is polished like chrome. All new reproduction tinted glass. Has the correct stampings on each window. They're all replaced. It has the factory side exhaust. It's been replaced. It looks like new. It's the chambered exhaust, so it's crimped pipe. There's nothing like the sound of those pipes, especially with a 435 horse when you're shifting those gears. Even the back window, crystal clear. Has the optional locking gas cap. Again, all this, tail lights, everything's beautiful. First year, the reverse light was here in the middle. Correct FM antenna. And even though he did order it originally with red lines, these are upgraded with Coker radial red line tires, and they are the 15-inch bolt-on aluminum wheels. Just look at that stunning car. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. So there's no trunk to open, but you can take a second to admire that beautiful design. This is why the coupes are more desirable than the convertibles. They actually made less coupes than convertibles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, really look at the jams. They're painted spotlessly. The latches are new, the weather strips, sill plates, all that's new. And I say new at the time of the restoration, but it still looks brand new. The door panels were replaced, and all the chrome, the knobs, the cranks, all look brand new. All of this is restored. All the gauges look like they've been restored. They all function. Has the 6500 red line tack. That's correct for the 435 horsepower. The dash pads, all the trim, the speaker grill, everything is mint. Quartz movement added to the clock, the knobs, everything's real nice. Glove box door looks like brand new. Inside looks like brand new. Has the pouch with the manuals in it, extra set of keys. All the lights work throughout the interior. The carpet's still nice and fresh looking front to back, has the reproduction mats. AM FM radio works too. Console's mint, ashtrays never used, has the correct reverse lockout shifter. First year the e-brake was put in the middle here. These are reproduction seat belts. They're even dated 1967 on the tag that's down there. This is the original teal blue color, the interior. They did upgrade it from vinyl to leather. That was a factory option, but this one came vinyl. I really like the leather. It also has leather headrests on it now. And then in back, the carpet is just fresh front to back. All fits real nicely. All the trim, everything's looking really sharp. Dome light works. And again, all the trim, the screws, the headliner, the visors, the mirror, all look like new. And again, everything fits right too. Now, a lot of them were plastic steering wheels. They call them wood. This is an actual teak wood steering wheel. That was another option. So yeah, just as pristine inside as the outside. Now you're looking at the powerhouse here. That's a 427 motor with 435 horsepower. It's 11-to-1 compression. Got the square port heads, the aluminum intake with 3 two-barrel Holley carburetors, solid lifter cam. And in this little car, that's a beast right there. Now, numbers matching is important. We've thoroughly investigated it the best we can. The VIN number on the front pad matches the car. The broach marks, the stampings look correct. I even compared it to a lot of other pictures on the internet, and it all looks proper. All the date codes, the casting numbers, that all lines up just right. And it lines up with the build date of the car. The serial number of the car also falls in place with the build number. So everything jives together really well. So the engine runs strong. There's no issues. It's done very authentic. You see these dimples. Those are spot welds for the baffles inside. That's correct. Reproductions are smooth. Has the Winters Foundry aluminum intake, the right fuel lines, the right triangle air cleaner, has the ignition shielding with the braided wires, although underneath there is a Mallory electronic ignition distributor. But otherwise they kept it very authentic with the tags and the paint markings. It's all authentic. There's the big pulley on the alternator. The rest of the pulleys are deep groove because you could rev this engine so high they want the belts flying off. Reproduction hoses and clamps. There is power steering hiding down there. Typically, there's an expansion tank. If you're wondering why that's missing, the overflow bottle for the radiator, this engine did not come with that. it just goes on the ground. So that is correct and proper. And again, everything is just detailed. It does have spring clamp battery cables and a battery disconnect for when you park the car. But yeah, this powerhouse here, its numbers match, it's detailed. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, hear the rumble of that 427 and those side pipes. Holy cow, tri-power on this one. Honestly, in my opinion, it's one of the most gorgeous Corvettes, second generation Corvettes that we've ever had at the museum. I'm really excited to be presenting it to you guys. Numbers matching power plant. I mean, this is truly remarkable. The quality of the restoration is second to none. And so far from my limited experience with it, it's everything that you could ever hope or want for. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Those side pipes, they just put it over the top. I mean, the exhilaration that you feel right underneath you when you mash that gas is just incredible. I'm absolutely in love with this car, and I'm confident that the new owner will be just as enthusiastic as I am. It's really a special vehicle, really a investment grade vehicle that you can have a lot of fun with too. So go ahead, push the buy now button. It's probably not going to be around long. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath this car is immaculate. It looks like it was just finished last night. So obviously body off the frame, every nut and bolt, every clamp, every fuel line, brake line, everything was rebuilt, restored, replaced, refinished. Independent suspension front and back, all of that's redone, all fresh looking. The power steering was all replaced. Disc brakes at all four wheels, it all was replaced, and the e-brake is all hooked up. Looking up at the bottom of the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange, correct starter, the correct canister type oil filter. It is the numbers matching, VIN number matching Muncie 4-speed with the correct dates and codes, restored, rebuilt drive shaft going back to the original rear end. It's all dated and coded correctly for this car. It's like a March, April build. That's where all the dates fall into place. It's a 370 Posi. All the fiberglass is pristine, including the spare tire carrier. The frame is pristine. It's smooth. It's painted a nice semi-gloss black. Just an immaculate car. And this one's extraordinary. You can look at cars online, look at pictures. People can tell you they're great. I'm telling you, this is one of the great ones. Not just in the way it looks, but in the way it functions and performs as well. Someone's going to be very happy with this car. The colors, I'll just shut up because I'll just go on and on about this one. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Yeah, don't ask for me because I'll probably talk you out of the car. Thanks for watching.